In this video, we'll teach you how to send money from PayPal to your OKX account. Of course, it's impossible to directly deposit money on OKX with your PayPal account, but I'll show you how to do it. We will use the middleman, which in this case will be bestchange.com, and I'll show you how this works. First of all, you need to find the PayPal in the left side of the menu. If you can't find it, you can use the Ctrl F and write PayPal. And then you will see PayPal USD, PayPal Euro, and etc. So I will choose PayPal USD. Then on the right side, we need to decide which cryptocurrency we want to receive. For example, OKX supports Tether TRC20, and I will choose this one because it's the most popular one. There are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging PayPal money to Tether TRC20, as you can see, but they have got different number of reviews. I suggest you to find the exchanger who has got a lot of reviews. And also the reviews should be in green. If you see the red numbers, that means it has got negative reviews. Also, you need to look at the reserves and exchange rates. For example, I will choose the exchanger who has got more than 1k reviews and a very low minimum amount. So for example, I will choose this one, Magnatus, and when you go to their page, you need to enter your email address right here. You need to choose PayPal USD to Tether TRC20 USDT right here. Then you need to enter the amount of PayPal USD you want to transfer. For example, if you transfer 100 PayPal USD, you will receive 90 USDT on your OKX account. You need to agree to their terms. Then right here, you need to enter your PayPal. Right here, you need to enter your Tether TRC20 USDT wallet address from your OKX account. It will show you how to find it. You can go to OKX, click on deposit in the top right. Then you need to select USDT, and in the network you need to select Tron TRC20. Then you can copy the wallet address from here and paste it right here. Then you can take some extra services if you want, of course, but they have got extra commissions. You can write anything in the note, it's optional, and click on submit. After that, they will give you the PayPal address where you need to send exactly 100 USD, and from few minutes to a few hours, they will send the money, the USDT to your OKX account, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.